The Honeywell Portable 14,000 BTU air conditioner is a 4-in-1 unit providing cooling, heating, dehumidification, and a fan. This portable air conditioner can cool rooms up to 700 square feet and heat rooms up to 500 square feet. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 111 pints every 24 hours and comes with an auto evaporation system, meaning there are no buckets to empty. The easy-access washable air filter helps catch unwanted dust particles from the air, and the unit is easily installed with no professional help needed. The unit provides 3 speed settings, digital control panel, 24-hour energy-saving timer, and all this can be controlled by the included remote control. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.